Hey guys, welcome back. Oh, did I do my intro? Yes. So welcome back. A lot of you guys have been saying do more videos about this, so I was thinking, okay. So here are some things to get free stuff in Subway Surfers. So up here in the corner where there's like a coin and like a plus sign with how much coin do you have right next to like the zero with the keys, which I have 0 keys. And I have 21,000 trophies. So I have 4,199 coins, and here's how to get free coins and free gifts. So as you guys can see down here, right after you're done doing the round, every time click get 500 coins for free. And look, you have to watch an ad. I'll mute that just because. I will be right back when the ad is done. Okay, I'm back. It is done. See how it gave you 500 free coins? And then if you come and click the home button. Okay, hold on. Let me die real quick in this. Okay. So, again, this is 500 coins, but I'm not going to do that. Okay. There's this home button next to the word that says boosts. It's right under the get 500 coins. So, we're going to click that. And then there's up there, like, where it says My Tour, there's a TV with a play button, and it gives you a gift if you watch an ad. So let's watch an ad. I'll mute that, and I will talk to you guys in the returning time. So, yeah, we need to find out if this still works. Okay, the ad is almost done. I think that it will be done. But drop a like, share, and comment. And also subscribe if you guys are new. Okay. So we got I don't need any more hoverboards because in the corner up here it says add more. I have 126. So, oopsie. I don't need any more. And it'll keep on saying it, not just for you guys. But if you go down here in the corner where it says tap to play, then there's under top run. Then next to it's me, which is all the people that I have and all the boards that I have. If I can find my other one. I am not sure what my other one is. But I do have my star one, like where stars come out of the back. Okay, yeah. And shop, if you go there and you go to boosts, you could buy all these stuff. Yeah. You could buy all this stuff. Then if you go to free stuff, it says watch a video, yeah. And then it has these. And then I would go down, yep. And the next one is stored. It says sale. So there's a mystery box that I could buy for 500. And there's, yeah, for 1,200. So, let's open up here. Yep. Giving you free stuff. And it also gives you money sometimes. And a lot of people have been wanting to see what My Tour is. It's basically like what you get or like what your top runs are. In day 4 that I play, I'll get 1,500. This is for doing the ABC thing. Over here it says weekly hunt, reward 40 hoverboards, collect 40 hunt tokens, missions, ABC hunt. And up here, in 1 day, 11 hours, that's when this girl is gone. But a lot of people have been asking for videos like this and other stuff. But I really don't know what to do. Because comment down below what kind of games you guys want me to do, and I'll for sure download it and check it out. So go ahead and comment on whatever game you guys want me to play, and I'll go ahead and play them for you. That girl's for 95,000. Oh. And yeah, on top run is me, which I have to beat them. And in me, the people that I have is Jake, him and his outfit. Of course, you always get him. And then I have Tricky. I don't know what's wrong with her, but I'm working for the camo suit. But I have her selected. Also, I have Fresh. Yep, you would need 6 coins, but I do not have coins. So, I'm so close to getting him. Okay, so a lot of them are going in a few days. I was wanting to get her, but yeah. So that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'd love to see you guys tomorrow. Bye.